What's up, homies? It's y'all boy again for another sick tutorial. For today's video, we will be showcasing the BTS7960 Motor Driver. I'll teach you how to hook it up and what library you need to get this bad boy up and running. I'll also teach you a few basic controls so you can use it on your future projects. Alright, let's begin. Open your Arduino IDE and on the Library tab, search for BTS7960. It should list two libraries. Pick the second one with the motor driver on its name and click Install. After a successful installation, go to File and then Examples and look for BTS7960 Motor Driver and click to open the sketch file. Once opened, modify the pin assignments depending on the pins you want to use. For this example, I use the following on the screen. Make sure you have all the connections secured. For our first test, we will just upload, and if everything is going as planned, it should spin the motor, gradually increasing to max in each direction. Yo, it seemed we got it on the first try. Hell yeah. Now, to spice things up a bit, we will add a button and a potentiometer. The button will control the direction of the motor, while potentiometer for the speed. We declare a few variables to handle the pin numbers and values for button and potentiometer. We added two read functions to get values from them. We also added print function to display the readings, and another function to map the read values from potentiometer. For flipping the motor direction, we added a switch case within a conditional statement, so whenever the button is pressed, it will reverse the motor direction. And for the last few lines, it applies the motor directions. After all the code modifications, let's see how our setup behaves. It seems it works well, aside from the button bouncing, haha. We'll talk about that in future videos. We will also try to apply this control on an RC car. Stay tuned so you won't miss it. I'll put a link for the code on the video description. Thank you so much for your time. Please consider subscribing. See you on the next one.